This is the program Where's My Car? What's displaying on the LCD is your GPS position, latitude and longitude. This is where Fargo, North Dakota is located. And distance from home position. Now if I press our button 15, that sets my home position. So you find out what you want to find, like where you parked your car, in this case, where I left my cat. Hit button 15 and it zeroes it out. You can now move around and it tells you how far you've gone relative to your home position. So this is summer 2024 wildflower mix. When you want to find out where's my cat, you can look at it and see my cat is, well, I am 9 meters south, 0.4 meters west of my cat. There's the cat. To locate the cat, just come back to zero position. And voila, our cat. Some of the other features, if you hit button 14, it turns on recording. Hold it down again, turns off recording. That's the Where's My Car, in this case, Where's My Cat function.